Hello guys, today's problem is evaluate reverse Polish notation. So let's see the problem. So you are given an array of string token that represents an arithmetic expression in reverse Polish notation. The term reverse Polish notation is also known as postfix notation where let us say the infix is 2 plus 3. The postfix value will be 2, 3 and plus. The operator will come after the operands. So 2, 3 will be the operands and plus is an operator. So we need to evaluate the value of this reverse Polish notation, which is postfix expression. So 2 plus 3 will be 5. We need to return the value of 5. So the question states that evaluate the expression, return an integer that represents the value of expression. So we will be given an string array which contains the postfix expression or reverse Polish notation. We need to evaluate that array and we need to return an integer. We need to return an integer. So let's say an example 2 1 plus 3 star. So the value we will get is like 2 plus 1 we will get 3 and 3 into 3 we will get as 9. So we will return 9. So for the next example, the value we will get is like 13 divided by 5, which will be 2, and 4 plus 2, which will be 6. So pause this video and let's see a logic how to solve the problem. So we need to use a data structure known as stack. So since stack follows last in first out, so what we will be doing is like if and if it is an number that is operand, we will be pushing into stack, push into stack. If it is operator, we will be popping two numbers, that will be a and b. We will be popping two numbers and we will apply that operator and push that into the stack. Finally, we will return the top of the stack. So this is the logic. So let's see an example for example 1. So we have 2 and 1. So initially our stack will be empty. So the array is 2, 1 plus and 3 star. So since 2 is a number, we will push it into the stack. 1 is also number, we will push it into the stack. We are getting plus, which is not a number. We will be popping two numbers from the stack, which will be a will be 1, b will be 2. We will getting c as b plus a. We will apply the operand here, which will be 3, and we will push the value of 3 into the stack. So our new updated stack will be 3. And next our pointer will be here. This 3 is also a number, so we will push it into a stack. This star is an operator, so a will be 3, b is also 3. Now stack will be empty. What we will doing is like we will find a c, which will be using this operator 3 into 3, which will be 9. We will pushing this 9 into the stack. So our new stack value will be, this will be our new stack. So since we traverse this array, at last we need to return the top of the stack. So we will be returning the 9. So 9 is the answer after evaluating this string array. So let's see in another example. 4, 3, 5, 4, 13, 5 division plus operator. So initially our stack will be empty. Let us take it as I. So initially our I will be here. We will be looping this array. So 4 is a number, we will be adding in the stack. 13 is also a number, we will be adding in a stack. 5 is also a number, we will be adding in a stack. And then we are getting division. So we will pop two element. A will be 5, B will be 13. So we will be applying this slash. So which will be b by a, which will be 2, because we are using it as an integer. So we will be pushing the value of 2 into the stack. Our new stack will be 4 2, and we will be in this index after this stack. So we have to apply plus operation. So new value a will be 2, b will be 4, so c will be a plus b, which is 6. So our new stack will be 6. Since we traverse this array, we need to return the top of the stack, so the value will be 6 for this expression. So our value will be 6 for the given string reverse Polish notation expression. So let's see the code. So let's look into the code. So like I already explained, we will be using a stack, and we will be looping through the given string array, that is tokens. So we are checking if the current token is an operand or operator. If it is a number, we are converting it to an integer and pushing into a stack. And if it is an operator, we are popping top two elements from the stack, and we are applying an operator to that two element and pushing that element again back into the stack. After we complete this loop, what we are doing is like we will be returning the top of the stack. So at final stage, the stack only contains only one element, so we will be returning or popping the top of the stack, and we will be returning it. So let's submit it. So if you guys have any queries or any doubt, please just comment and subscribe for more videos.